We will show you how to transfer data from Android to Android in this video via the several methods introduced here. Method 1. How to transfer info from Android to Android with Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Step 1. Download, install, and open the program. Then connect your phones to the computer with USB cables. Step 2. After successfully connecting, you will see the interface as below. Step 3. Check the boxes before the contents you want to transfer and click the Start Copy button to start transferring all data from the old Android to the new one. Method 2. How to transfer Android to Android with SHAREit. Step 1. Download and install the SHAREit app on both Android phones from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the app on both Android devices. Click the Send button on the sending phone and choose the files that you want to send. After that, click Next to get to the scan screen. Step 3. On the receiving phone, click the Receive button and you'll see a QR code. Scan the QR code with the sending phone, and the transferring process will automatically begin. Method 3. How to transfer data to new phone via Smart Switch. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store and install the Smart Switch app on both devices. Step 2. Launch the Smart Switch app on both devices. On your old device, select Send Data and choose Wireless as the transfer method. Step 3. The old device will generate a PIN. Enter this PIN on the new device to establish a connection. Step 4. On the old device, you will see a list of data categories: contacts, messages, photos, etc. Select the data you want to transfer. Step 5. The new device will start receiving data. Wait for the transfer to complete. The time it takes depends on the amount of data. Method 4. How to transfer data to new Android phone through Google account. Step 1. On your new phone, locate the Settings app, System Settings, Google Options, and sign into your Google account with your Google email and password. Step 2. Back up your old phone to your Google account by clicking Backup Now from the Google menu. Step 3. On your old phone, navigate to the Settings app, System Settings, Google Setup and Restore options and choose the Setup Nearby Device option. Step 4. Click the Next button and the phone will automatically search for nearby devices, and the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi features might be used in the process. Step 5. Select the name of the target device and specify the data type you wish to recover from the prior Google backup. Tap the Restore button, and the data from your current backup will be transferred and restored to the designated Android device. Method 5. How to transfer everything from Android to Android by SD card. Step 1. Go to Settings on your source Android device. Scroll down and tap on System Settings, Backup and Migrate, and choose the Local Backup option to backup data to your SD card or external storage. Step 2. Choose the data you want to backup and choose the Backup to External Storage option. Step 3. Initiate the backup process. The time it takes depends on the amount of data you're transferring. Step 4. Once the backup is complete, eject the SD card from your source Android device and insert it into the target Android device. Step 5. On the target Android device, navigate to the same option, Settings, System Settings, Backup and Migrate, Local Backup, and choose the data types from your newly created backup file. Tap the Start button and the restoring process will automatically start. Method 6. How to transfer data between Android phones using a computer. Step 1. On your phones, enable USB debugging in the developer options. To do this, go to Settings, About Phone or Device Version, and tap on the build number 7 times to enable developer options. Then, go to Developer Options and enable USB debugging. Step 2. Connect the old Android phone to your computer with a USB cable. When a notification appears, swipe down the notification bar and select File Transfer or Media Transfer Protocol (METP). Step 3. On your Windows computer, open the File Explorer. You can do this by pressing the Windows +E keys. In the left sidebar of File Explorer, you should see your Android phone listed under this PC or as a removable drive. Click on it to access its storage. Step 4. Browse your Android phone's storage using File Explorer and copy the files or folders you want to transfer to the second Android phone. Step 5. Unplug the USB cable from the first Android phone and connect the second Android phone to the computer. In File Explorer, you should now see the second Android phone listed under this PC or as a removable drive. Click on it to access its storage. Step 6. Right-click on the second Android phone storage area and choose Paste from the context menu. This will copy the files from the first phone to the second phone's storage. Step 7. The files will start copying from the computer to the second Android phone. The time it takes depends on the size of the files. Method 7. How to transfer data from Android to Android wirelessly by Bluetooth. Step 1. Turn on the Bluetooth feature on both phones. In the Bluetooth settings, your source device will start scanning for nearby devices. Select the target Android device from the list of available devices. Step 2. On the target Android device, you will receive a pairing request from the source device. Accept it to establish a Bluetooth connection. Step 3. On the source Android device, go to the location of the files you want to send and select the files you want to send. Then tap the Send option to choose Bluetooth. Step 4. On the target Android device, you will receive a notification about incoming files. Accept the incoming files to complete the transfer. Method 8. How to transfer data from one Android to another by emailing. Step 1. On your source Android device, go to the file or item you want to transfer, such as a photo, document, or contact. Tap the Send option. From the sharing options, select the email app you want to use. Step 2. The email app will open with the selected item attached. Compose an email and enter the target Android phone's email address. Tap the Send button to email the item to the recipient. Step 3. On the target Android device, open the email you just sent. Open the email and tap on the attachment to download it to your device.